From Novice to Pro, Mastering the Art of Passive Income with Bitget. Please read this disclaimers. This article is not financial advice. It is intended for informational purposes only. Please consult with a professional financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please read this affiliate disclosure. Please note that if any links are clicked in the description and purchases are made, that it is assumed that the owner of this channel may earn commissions. Introduction to passive income. Passive income has become a buzzword in recent years, and for good reason. It offers individuals the opportunity to generate income effortlessly, even while they sleep. But what exactly is passive income? Simply put, it is income that is earned with little to no effort on your part. One platform that has gained popularity for earning passive income is Bitget. Understanding Bitget and its potential for passive income. Bitget is a leading cryptocurrency trading platform that provides users with a wide range of opportunities to earn passive income. By leveraging the power of blockchain technology, Bitget allows individuals to invest in cryptocurrencies and earn passive income effortlessly. With a user-friendly interface and a variety of investment options, Bitget has quickly become a go-to platform for those looking to grow their wealth. Benefits of earning passive income with Bitget. There are numerous benefits to earning passive income with Bitget. Firstly, the platform offers a high level of security, ensuring that your investments are protected. Additionally, Bitget provides users with a wide range of investment options, allowing you to diversify your portfolio and minimize risk. Furthermore, the platform offers competitive interest rates, ensuring that your passive income grows steadily over time. With Bitget, you have the opportunity to earn a passive income that can significantly enhance your financial situation. Getting started with Bitget. Account setup and verification. To get started with Bitget, you'll need to create an account and verify your identity. The process is straightforward and can be completed in a few simple steps. First, visit the Bitget website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and password. Once you've completed this step, you'll need to verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Finally, you'll need to complete the identity verification process by providing some additional information, such as your government-issued ID or passport. Once your account is set up and verified, you'll be ready to start earning passive income with Bitget. Exploring Bitget's passive income options. Bitget offers a variety of passive income options to suit different investment preferences. One popular option is staking, where users can lock up their cryptocurrencies for a specific period of time and earn interest on their holdings. Another option is lending, where users can lend their cryptocurrencies to other traders and earn interest on their loans. Additionally, Bitget offers a referral program, where users can earn passive income by referring new users to the platform. By exploring these passive income options, you can find the one that best fits your investment goals and risk tolerance. Strategies for maximizing passive income on Bitget. While earning passive income on Bitget is relatively straightforward, there are strategies you can employ to maximize your earnings. Firstly, it's important to diversify your portfolio by investing in multiple cryptocurrencies. This helps to spread the risk and ensures that your passive income is not dependent on the performance of a single asset. Additionally, it's crucial to stay updated on market trends and news that may impact the value of your investments. By keeping a close eye on the market, you can make informed decisions and maximize your passive income potential. Another strategy is to reinvest your passive income earnings. Instead of withdrawing your earnings, consider reinvesting them into new opportunities on Bitget. By doing so, you can compound your earnings and accelerate your passive income growth. Finally, consider setting realistic goals for your passive income journey. Whether it's a specific amount of income per month or a target for your overall portfolio value, having clear goals can help you stay motivated and focused on achieving success. Tips for managing and diversifying your passive income portfolio. Managing and diversifying your passive income portfolio is essential for long-term success. One tip is to regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. This may involve rebalancing your investments, adding new assets, or removing underperforming ones. Additionally, consider setting up automatic reinvestment options on Bitget. This will ensure that your passive income is automatically reinvested, helping you grow your portfolio without any additional effort. Another tip is to explore different passive income options on Bitget. While staking and lending are popular options, there may be other opportunities that align with your investment goals. Take the time to research and understand the various options available to you, and consider diversifying your passive income streams to minimize risk. Common mistakes to avoid when earning passive income with Bitget. While earning passive income with Bitget can be highly rewarding, There are common mistakes that individuals should avoid. One mistake is investing without proper research and understanding. It's important to thoroughly research the cryptocurrencies you are investing in and understand their potential risks and rewards. Additionally, avoid investing more than you can afford to lose. While passive income can be lucrative, it is not guaranteed, and there is always a level of risk involved. Another mistake is not staying updated on market trends and news. Cryptocurrency markets can be volatile and subject to rapid changes. By staying informed, you can make better investment decisions and avoid potential losses. Finally, avoid chasing quick gains or falling for get-rich-quick schemes. Building a sustainable passive income portfolio takes time and patience. Stick to your investment strategy and focus on long-term growth rather than short-term gains. Resources and tools for tracking and optimizing your passive income on Bitget. Bitget provides users with a range of resources and tools to track and optimize their passive income. The platform offers real-time market data and charts, allowing you to monitor the performance of your investments. Additionally, you can set up price alerts to be notified of significant market movements. Bitget also provides educational materials, such as tutorials and articles to help users learn more about cryptocurrency investing and passive income strategies. Outside of Bitget, there are various third-party tools and websites that can help you track and optimize your passive income on the platform. These tools provide advanced analytics, portfolio tracking, and performance metrics to help you make data-driven decisions. Some popular tools include coin tracking, Blockfolio, and CoinStats. By utilizing these resources, you can gain deeper insights into your passive income portfolio and make informed decisions to optimize your earnings. Conclusion: taking your passive income journey to the next level with Bitget. Earning passive income with Bitget is an excellent way to grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. By understanding the platform's potential, exploring various passive income options, and employing effective strategies, you can maximize your earnings and accelerate your journey to financial success. However, it's important to approach passive income with a long-term mindset, as it takes time and patience to build a sustainable income stream. By staying informed, diversifying your portfolio, and leveraging the resources available to you, you can take your passive income journey to the next level with Bitget. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to learn more, please see the link in the description. Affiliate disclosure. Please note that if any links are clicked in the description and purchases are made, that it is assumed that the owner of this channel may earn commissions